it's not just about the currency, but fundamentally it's about wiring an internet for money.
Do you believe people when they say that you can become a millionaire when you invest in this or that? Some of you may be doubtful, while some plunge in and welcome the risks. Yes, it is understandable to be afraid of risks. Who isn't? But know this, you could minimize risks by following a good investment strategy. That said, are you ready to know how you can become a millionaire by owning XRP? Now that the ongoing legal tussle between Ripple XRP and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission seems close to its summary judgment, crypto influencer Ben Armstrong, also famously known as Bitboy Crypto, believes Ripple will become one of the best performing assets once the case ends. The XRP case will be over soon. It's not a prediction, it's the end of the trial calendar, douches, he said in a recent tweet. In light of this, Ben Armstrong is bullish on XRP's chances after the case. The famous content creator further implied that the new trend is for XRP investors to get rich from the asset. Bitboy believes that staying with XRP and the XRP army is the best decision for investors to get their rations. As another crypto enthusiast said in reply to Armstrong's tweet, "Haters gonna hate, speculators gonna speculate." Well, what are your speculations? Before we dig deeper into how you can become a millionaire with XRP, according to this crypto influencer, you should also know that Bitboy's analysis faced criticism for predicting that Ripple's case would conclude in September 2021. Admitting to the mistake, he attested to his failed prediction, saying it was a one-off event. However, he is convinced that the trial will end soon. Well, at least he isn't alone on that supposition, as a lot of legal experts have shared how they believe the lawsuit between the SEC and Ripple will come to an end soon. If Ripple indeed wins the case, as many lawyers are inclined to believe, Ben Armstrong's statement that XRP will make you a millionaire just might be true. How, you may ask? Well, according to Bitboy Crypto, you need to own approximately 150,000 XRP to become an XRP millionaire. He explained that to be a millionaire in 2025, that would put the price per token of XRP at $6.75. While that might be very possible, that's a significant amount of XRP, and it's not a small investment, at least for many, and therefore not applicable to everyone. At today's price, that's about $70,000 worth of XRP. It's also important to bear in mind that the price of XRP is constantly fluctuating. Still, if you adopt a long-term investment approach, grabbing 10,000 or more coins may have the potential to yield substantial financial profits and leave you perfectly satisfied if you hold on for the long term. Holding even 10,000 to 20,000 XRP could make your life much easier. That said, don't get too discouraged at the thought of having to put $20,000 or more into XRP. However, as the XRP price consistently fluctuates as earlier mentioned, keep in mind that you may need to modify your investment strategy accordingly. Now, going back to our millionaire goal, 150,000 XRP may sound like a lot. Well, it is, although it may not seem much if we were to break it into chunks. How so? Let's answer this first. What does that mean on a per-week basis if you're going to stack from August 1st, 2023 through December 25th, 2024? First, we need to assume an average purchase price to make this work. As the market heads into a new bull run, the price is going to slide upward before going parabolic in the middle of 2025. That said, it is important to time your purchases well. According to Bitboy Crypto, DCA or dollar cost averaging is the way to do it. DCA is an investment strategy that aims to apply value investing principles to a regular investment. In light of this, we are now in the middle of the bear market, so this is your best entry point if you're new to buying XRP. To compute, let's assume XRP has an average price of 75 cents between now and December 31st, 2025. With that in mind, to have 150,000 XRP, you need to buy 1,500 worth of XRP every week to get 150,000. That's a lot, I know. But even if you did 1/3 of that, you should still have a nice bag of XRP. Let's see how much you would accumulate if you put $507 a week into XRP. At that rate, you'd be able to stack about 50,000 XRP during that period. That would be roughly $230,000 in 2026. Now, let's take a step further and assume a bullish scenario for XRP in 2025. By then, Ripple and XRP win, and the SEC case gets dropped, which will then result in XRP going double digits. If things go well, a $1 trillion market cap scenario is not too impossible. Most experts agree that Ethereum will break the $1 trillion market cap barrier in the next bull run. It already topped out at almost $600 billion last cycle. That said, it is not unreasonable to see XRP getting close to that, especially if Ethereum goes past $1 trillion. So, if XRP starts to run up along Bitcoin and Ethereum, 1 trillion could be in the cards. That will make the XRP token worth a staggering $19.80, giving a 150,000 XRP portfolio a value of $3 million. Conversely, a $19 XRP will make a 50,000 portfolio worth $1 million. If both the crypto demand and the commercial venture of Ripple are solid, we could see an increase in XRP's valuation to more than $5 per token by 2030. According to the XRP price forecasts, the majority of experts are sure that Ripple will hit $10 before 2030. As the adoption of cryptocurrencies is becoming more acceptable, Ripple is likely to take on an important role in payment solutions, which could increase the price of XRP. According to Crypterium, Ripple XRP could approach and exceed the price of $10 by 2030, reaching $17 to $20 by 2030. Ripple Coin News also predicts that XRP may reach $10 by 2030. As can be expected, there are positive and conservative approaches by analysts when predicting the Ripple price for the next 10 years. If the Ripple business performs well, in 10 years, XRP can theoretically exceed new heights. Based on current projections, most experts have agreed that Ripple's price can go up to the $250 to $300 range in 10 years. Ripple Coin News says that Ripple's price could rise to $30 in 10 years. Smarterium is even more optimistic, believing that Ripple could reach $250 to $300 in the next 10 years. Moreover, XRP could reach these prices as more Ripple collaborations could increase XRP's attention when it engages in the sharing of assets. This can also raise prices as buyers are more involved. Now, keep in mind that these are just loose predictions for 2025 and possibly 2026. Yes, 3 years may sound like a long time, but if you thought that you can get rich quickly in the crypto space, well, you may have had the wrong idea about this venture. You should also know that, just like any investment, it is important to do your own research, make informed decisions, and most importantly of all, only invest what you can afford to lose. Of course, there are also strategies that you can adopt to minimize the risks in case you decide to take the plunge as well, so to speak. First, you should not, and I mean do not, sell your cryptocurrencies in the bear market. At the moment, cryptocurrency prices have gained a temporary low. Still, under no circumstances should you sell in this market situation. Prices have already dropped so much that further declines will not be strong enough to justify a sale. Also, you should start investing regularly in the most popular cryptocurrencies today. Cryptocurrencies are extremely cheap right now, so you have the chance to regularly accumulate cryptocurrencies that will help you become a millionaire in a few years. Take a sufficient, at least 3-digit amount of money every month and invest in the big cryptocurrencies, with XRP among the choices. And third, you should sell on time in the next bull market. To become a millionaire with cryptocurrencies, you have to take your profits in good time before the prices tumble again. To do this, you have to sell your coins at the right time. To set the sale, you need intensive background knowledge, good intuition, and a bit of luck. If you bring all this with you, you now have a chance to make a huge profit. Repeat the process and buy cheap in the next bear market. But don't forget this, you still need some capital to invest, extensive knowledge, a certain intuition for the market, and a bit of luck. Subscribe for more.